Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the low mileage 2016 GMC Sierra all-terrain crew cab four-wheel drive, stock number Z7915A. Only 16,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, crimson red in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Sierra is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottom flip sub for additional cargo space. Rear defrost for excellent visibility and power sliding rear windows for extra ventilation. Roll up retractable tonneau cover. Locking tailgate, backup camera, rear parking sensors for additional safety, trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This all-terrain has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and power adjustable pedals to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, integrated trailer brake control, gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days, steering wheel mounted audio controls, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio app, navigation, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats, lots of power outlets, wireless charging mat for cell phones, no more cords in the way, and lots of storage space in the armrest. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof and sliding door control. Under the hood, this here is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Sierra, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.